are there documentary evidence attached to the complaint regarding this allegation of bribery?
Yeah, Madam Chair, we have already said that there are a lot of documentary evidence here that I'm holding.
And are these documentary evidence certified through copies?
There are acknowledgement receipts, as I've said a while ago, and I believe that Congressman Suwan can come over and be able to see all of the documentary evidence that we have. Napakarami kasi, no?
May we confirm
Since-
from the endorser if the attachments pertain to the COA documents?
I believe so. In fact, we could be able to actually even call upon the forensic review of all of the accounts and expenses that have been done by the Office of the Vice President.
Yung bahong mga dokumento ng pagtanggap ni Mary Grace Piatos, Chippy McDonald, Carlos Miguel Wishi, itong lahat ng ito bang mga dokumentong ito hawak na po ng komite o ito po ay hihingiin pa lang po ninyo sa COA?
Wala pa pong hawak na ganyan ang Justice Committee.
A lot of documentary evidence here. Napakarami kasi.
As a matter of fact, that is part of the request for issuance of subpoena duces tecum. Of all the COA documents, if your question is may hawak na ba kami? Wala.
A lot of documentary evidence here. Napakarami kasi.
Except for some na naka-attach doon sa impeachment complaint.